Hello everyone, how's everyone been doing? So I hope you all are there in my WhatsApp group where we update all our courses, our products, and in that I have also started putting some tips every day so that people can follow simple tips from various topics, not exactly only spiritual related. So if you all are still not there, then WhatsApp to 63806777131 and you will be added to the WhatsApp group where you will be updated from time to time. So let's go. I have taken the goddess guidance cards today for the readings. Let's just okay. These two just came out when I was flipping, so we will just go with these two. Mary Magdalene and Bast. Bast is a beautiful goddess. I really love working with the Egyptian goddess Bast because not only independence, she's a strong lady. The next one, Mary Magdalene. She is a goddess of unconditional love, or she's the lady of unconditional love, but she says, love yourself first. But since both the cards just popped out, I will pick out one more card at least just to see. Pele, divine passion. So maybe today is the day of, love, passion, unconditional love, loving yourself, making yourself the strongest. I feel sometimes we need to be strongest in order to handle things around us. So maybe today all the three beautiful ladies are telling you to be strong, love yourself, work on yourself first, see to it that you are not dependent on anyone, you don't have any worries or anything that is troubling you, and I'm sure the day is going to be yours. But still, let's see in detail about each of the cards. Okay, so coming to Bast, maybe you need to spend some time on yourself. You need to ask yourself what you need to do. Pay attention to things, what is happening around you. And I see this as a pet here. So if you have a pet, so today spend some time with your pet. And I'm sure it's going to make you happy and it's going to make you feel that, okay, the day was worth and you were able to, do something which you actually love doing. Because this beautiful goddess, she is a goddess who will give you independence, who will give you intuitive powers, and who will give you the right knowledge in the right way. So work with her and I'm sure you're going to get a beautiful you'll be having a beautiful day ahead, and you will know that today was the day just to take out time for yourself. Now when it comes to take out time for yourself, Mary Magdalene also talks about unconditional love, but she talks about loving yourself. So maybe all the cards are in sync just to say that you need to love yourself and you need to take out time for yourself. Because when this card comes, she says not only loving yourself, forgive people who have hurt you, because when you forgive people and send them love in spite of the hurt that they have done for you, I am sure you in turn will feel relieved and you will know that it's okay when people hurt you, because you are strong enough to handle that hurt and you are strong enough to come out of it without any obstacles or without any sadness in life. All right, so now Pele is being honest to yourself. Pele also means that you need to connect with the divine, you need to connect with the nature, because end of the day the goddess is there to tell you that only when you honor yourself, then everything will fall in place. She is a lady who is dynamic. Call upon her if you feel passion is missing in your life. Call upon her if you want to change jobs. Call upon her if you are not able to list out your priorities. Today the color will be pink. Carry rose quartz with you if possible, and spend some time on yourself and give yourself loads and loads of unconditional love. Have a beautiful day ahead.